Hello viewers and welcome to Noble Tech. In today's video I'll be doing a quick unboxing and setup of the Hak5 Pager. So after a long wait, the Hak5 Pineapple Pager is finally here. So let's see what we got. Well, we have the Hak5 Pager. And here we have an envelope with some special edition stuff inside. Try not to hit the camera there. Ooh. So first of all, we have the coin. As you can see, I was order number 173 for the Founders Edition. And that's the coin. Number 173. And on the back we have the Pineapple Pager logo. The Founders Edition also comes with the postcard with the signature from Darren himself at the bottom there. This is really cool. I'm going to get this framed. Moving on to the pager itself. It comes in a box which is pretty typical of Hak5 products. On the back we've got some details. It supports Bluetooth 5.2, bands 2.4, 5 and 6 GHz. Interfaces Ethernet over USB, USB 2.0 host port and wireless access point. And it comes with a 2000 mAh rechargeable battery. And there you can see its dimensions as well. So let's get this opened. As you can see on the box here, it says get started by following the setup guide at hak5.org/pager/setup. And if we just look on the inside lip, charge before first use, join on Discord, and you power on by holding for 5 seconds. Alright, the big reveal. We have some protective foam, very nice. Nicely packaged here. We have the clip I can see in there. So there's the clip for the pager. And here we have the main event, the pager itself. Right, let's open this up. And the big reveal. The Hak5 WiFi Pineapple Pager is a compact, retro-styled wireless penetration testing device designed for professional security auditors, red teamers, and Wi-Fi researchers. It combines the long-running Wi-Fi Pineapple platform with a nostalgic pager form factor. So what does the Hak5 Pineapple Pager do? It's a tri-band Wi-Fi auditing tool built for wireless reconnaissance, attacks, and payload automation. It supports Ducky script payloads, letting users automate complex wireless operations and attacks. It provides real-time Wi-Fi alerts using ringtones and vibration, mimicking the feel of an old-school pager while delivering modern telemetry. It includes a full suite of Wi-Fi exploration tools, continuing the Pineapple's 20-year legacy of wireless testing capabilities. It's designed as an EDC or everyday carry, so it's small, rugged, and you can clip it onto your belt with the clip that comes with it. In terms of expandability, currently you can get the Ethernet module, the GPS module, and the mesh networking module, and I believe there are more modules to come. In terms of customization, you can upload your own payloads, themes, and ringtones. These allow users to customize the device's behavior and interface. The Wi-Fi Pineapple Pager is built for wireless penetration testing, red team operations, network reconnaissance, payload-driven automation, and portable Wi-Fi monitoring and alerting. It's not a toy, it's a professional-grade tool wrapped in a nostalgic aesthetic. Going over to the Hak5 website, we can see that the Wi-Fi Pineapple Pager comes in both black and yellow. You can also see that the pager is currently on sale for $300. On top of this, you'll also be looking to pay $15 for shipping, and if you're in the UK, an additional £55 in duty fees. I would also like to point out for my particular order that it was shipped on the 13th of December and arrived on the 31st of December. It took quite some time to ship. Now it's time to set it up. The first thing you need to do is charge it up fully. Now to note, when you plug in the USB cable, if the light on the side is flashing, red and green, it means it's not charging. To get around this, what I did was turn it on, wait for it to boot, and once it had booted, I then plugged it in and it was charging normally. Now do be advised, it can take a long time to charge, between 2 and 4 hours. Now Darren recommends you charge it for at least an hour before you start the setup process. So now what we want to do is download the firmware, which you can get from here. So you click on this link, and it'll download the file for you. So the latest one looks to be the 18th of the 12th, 2025 as of the recording of this video. 1.0.4 stable. So we download. So now we turn it on. Hold for 5 seconds. And we wait. Now that the Pineapple Pager is booted, we now plug it into the PC. And the fourth step, we browse to the setup page. So open link in new tab, and we have the Wi-Fi Pineapple Pager page. You'll need the latest Wi-Fi Pineapple Pager device firmware. Download the latest release from Hak5 download portal. We select firmware. Once you've selected the file that you downloaded, you then click Upload. And now we click Install. Now on the device it says flashing, do not disconnect or power off. And now the device is rebooting. And now we have a new screen that says Wi-Fi Pineapple System Booting. And now we have a new screen, Initializing System. We are almost there. The setup process looks to take between 15 and 20 minutes. And now we are presented with a welcome screen. Welcome hacker to the Wi-Fi Pineapple Pager. Let's get started by going over a few important notices and configuring your device. Press down to continue. Okay, so after welcome we have the notices for firmware, thermals, and charging. We can set a PIN code and set a password. But I'll be right back once I've set the password. So now that the password is set, we can now set the time zone. Now for the time zone in my particular area, which is Great Britain, it is GMT or UTC 0. Press enter. And enter again. Updating system. And then here we have the license information. Congratulations, your Wi-Fi Pineapple Pager is now ready to use. Continue to dashboard. And starting services. And now we are in. Welcome to version 1.04 of the Wi-Fi Pineapple Pager. New features and improvements are underway, and your early use and feedback directly influence the product. Join the community at hak5.org/pager. Hak5. And this is the Hak5 Pineapple Pager. So the setup process was lengthy, but worthwhile. I'm now very much looking forward to playing around with this device. I'm Og, you've been watching Noble Tech. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit that like button and hit subscribe if you want to see more from Noble Tech. Until next time, stay curious and take care.